Welcome back to Adventure Tech, where I do the research so you don't have to. We are checking out LiTime's 48-volt 100 amp hour 8D lithium battery for off-grid power. You can use my promo code AdventureTech to get additional discount. Use the links in the comments and description to get over to this page, get a good deal, and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. So we're taking a look at this 48-volt battery. This is actually 51.2 volt nominal voltage, but it's intended to run 48-volt system. So if you're confused about that, that's what's going on with that. This is a 100 amp hour 8D lithium iron phosphate battery. This is not a lithium ion battery. This is a lithium iron phosphate battery, which can last 4,000 plus cycles up to 100% depth of discharge. What that means is basically that you can discharge this 100% for over 4,000 times before you notice any capacity battery differences. After that, you can continue to keep using this battery at reduced capacity as well. You have a 100 amp hour BMS built right in, huge amount of power. This is actually over 5 kilowatts of energy storage, and it's an easy drop-in replacement if you have 48 volt systems and a bunch of 12 volt batteries. Your all-powerful LFP battery, lithium iron phosphate. LiTime's 48 volt 100 amp hour lithium iron phosphate battery perfectly adapted to your life and work scenarios, including solar home storage, off-grid, outdoor energy, outboard motors, and other scenarios. One battery can provide 5,120 watt hours of energy, delivering energy to you stably for a very, very long time. Guaranteed satisfaction. LiTime's 48 volt 100 amp hour LFP battery can be charged from 0 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius and discharged at negative 20 degrees Celsius up to 60 degrees Celsius. That is a huge temperature range. It can withstand a maximum load of 5,120 watts continuously. That is a lot of power. You can easily charge various loads with confidence. If you have a 12 volt or 24 volt system that's getting hot or busting off breakers every time you're trying to run bigger stuff, if you get into 48 volt systems, you're going to notice right away that you're not even going to have a problem with that stuff. It puts a smile on your face, believe me. Meet your demands effortlessly. LiTime's 48 volt battery is particularly suitable for your solar home storage. Up to 4 batteries can be connected in parallel to provide 20.48 kilowatts of clean energy. Now, the average use of energy in the United States is 22 kilowatt hours, so 4 of these batteries in parallel can actually give you close to what you use every single day. You could get these charged up during the day and have an entire day's worth of power on hand to use any way that you want. Use it during an emergency outage, use it for fun, or just stay off grid. Use it with solar panels and inverters to get clean, cheap, and endless new energy. With an asterisk, in my opinion, because technically this will give you energy for free as long as you have it, but this equipment obviously does not last forever. Something to note is that these lithium iron phosphate batteries last thousands and thousands and thousands of charges. 4,000 charges is like over 10 years of being able to use this every single day, even if you charge and discharge the entire battery every single day. So these are a lot bigger batteries, so not only can you output it a lot more, you can charge it a lot faster. These lithium iron phosphate 48 volt 100 amp hour batteries. Oh, they made a mistake. This is not lithium ion battery. They keep making these little mistakes in here, probably due to translation errors, but this is not a lithium ion battery. This is lithium iron phosphate. So that is a mistake right there. But these batteries can perfectly support 3 different charging methods. The perfect combination of long endurance and high output. With 5,120 watt power output, you can easily power most heavy duty appliances at home or outdoors. Some larger power draws could be like your air conditioner. And believe it or not, little things like kettles, coffee makers, they do require a lot of electricity. A lot of small portable power stations and small DIY inverters will not power them. These batteries have the capacity. Even if you get a huge 12 volt inverter, problem is the battery. The battery's got to be able to put out the power too, and this battery can put out 5,120 watts. You can get 5-second discharge of 280 amps, which is a huge amount of power. That's basically almost 15,000 watts. Really cool battery though. This technology is so cool. I never get tired of talking about this technology because even after years and years of working with it, I spent 10-15 years as a power plant inspector, so I've been in industrial environments even before the stuff became available to you. And I tell you what, I never get tired of learning about it because it's getting so advanced so fast, and it's just ending up in our hands this easy for this price. 10 years ago, you couldn't even dream of getting something like this easy and this convenient. And even if you could get it 10 years ago, you'd have to replace everything so often. But now we have these LFP batteries like this one that can last 4,000 recharges. These batteries are gonna last 10, 20, even 30 years for you if you keep them in really, really good condition, in my opinion. So it's a good time to get this because these batteries are on sale right now, 38% off. Some of these batteries are over $2,000, but right now there's really good prices going on. You can use my promo code AdventureTech to get an additional discount on this. Use the links in the comments, get over this page, get a good deal, help support my channel at the same time, which I always do appreciate. You can subscribe to my channel for free though by clicking the subscribe button. You can go over to my other channel, Adventure Tech 2.0. If you want to see more unboxings of equipment like this, you can subscribe to that channel for free as well. Make sure to click the bell icon, then you can be one of the first people to hear about these limited deals.